Turn your phone into a superpower, seek thermal camera, see heat, fix problems, and impress friends. Transform your smartphone into a superhero gadget with the Seek Thermal Compact, the all-purpose thermal imaging camera that lets you see the unseen. This pocket-sized wonder plugs directly into your Android device, turning it into a heat-detecting machine. From spotting energy leaks to finding hidden electrical faults, it's like giving your phone X-ray vision. With a wide 36-degree field of view and a detection range of up to 1,000 feet, no heat signature can hide from you. Why settle for guesswork when you can have precision? The Seek Thermal Camera features a 206 by 156 thermal sensor that captures heat signatures with incredible accuracy. Whether you're a do-it-yourself enthusiast or a professional contractor, this thermal imager gives you the upper hand in detecting and fixing problems faster than ever. Imagine spotting water leaks, electrical issues, or insulation problems, all with a quick scan of your smartphone. It's like having a sixth sense in your pocket. Durability meets convenience with the Seek Thermal Compact. Not only is it tough enough to handle the job site, but it also comes with a waterproof carrying case, ensuring your thermal camera stays protected wherever you go. No batteries, no charging, just plug it into your Android device and start detecting. And with a manual focus dial, you have full control over your thermal imagery, letting you fine-tune your focus for pinpoint accuracy. When it comes to quality, Seek Thermal is a cut above the rest. This thermal imager is engineered to deliver reliable, high-definition thermal images and videos, making it an essential tool for contractors, inspectors, and engineers. With its easy-to-use mobile app, you can capture, store, and share your findings in seconds. The Seek Thermal Compact is not just a tool, it's an investment in efficiency, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. Affordable, powerful, and packed with features, the Seek Thermal Compact is the thermal imaging camera you've been waiting for. Whether you're troubleshooting around the house or tackling professional-grade inspections, this little device has you covered. It's time to take your diagnostic skills to the next level because seeing heat means solving problems, and that's just plain cool.